How much work is a free Facebook group? Will it really help you to grow your coaching and course creation business? And is it actually worth the work? Hi there, my name is Evelyn Weiss. I'm a Facebook ads marketer and digital strategist. And I have a free Facebook group with almost 3,000 members, which is Funnels and Ads for Coaches and Course Creators. And in this video, I want to give you my honest opinion whether or not you should start a Facebook group and how much work it is involved. If you stick around to the end of the video, I also have an amazing free resource for you, so you definitely want to check that out. Alright, so this is my free Facebook group. I started it back in spring this year and grew it pretty rapidly to 1,000 members. Ever since then, this group has helped me to generate over $100,000 in new revenue for my business, and it really helped me to kickstart my coaching and course creation and digital product business, because I sell a lot of digital products too. Before that, I was only an agency owner running Facebook ads mainly for e-commerce clients. Then I had a coach client and I kind of discovered my passion for that. And this was also a reason why I started this group. So in my opinion, the Facebook group changed like my whole life. It was such a game changer, and it really allowed me to be like from just a service provider to have my own brand out there, to get a coaching program out there with beta clients. I had 10 beta clients joining in the first month. 8 of them stuck around, but that was $8,000 in revenue for this completely new thing. And ever since I started with it, I never had difficulties again finding coaching clients, and I even got a few agency clients out of there. Plus, I was able to start my own membership, which is Funnels and Ads Pro, priced at $27 per month. And I cannot tell you how much I enjoy it, because I'm finally connected with the right type of people. And I'm an introvert, so I actually, to recover, I need to spend time alone. And I'm also like a single mom, so and I still have the agency, so I work a lot. And sometimes when it's Thursday and we have our weekly group coaching call, I'm like, I'm already so tired. But then I'm on the call and I connect with my members and I'm able to help them, and I walk away with more energy from the call than I had coming to the call. So it really, and this is what the Facebook group helped me to do. It really helped me to get myself out there and to build and connect with an audience of ideal clients. So in my personal opinion, it's always worth it. And now let me give you the even better news. If you started it right, then it actually is not a lot of work. You will not believe me, but I don't spend more time than maximum an hour per week in my group right now. And it still gets me members for my membership, and it still gets me sales. So let me now explain to you exactly how it works. So when you start a new Facebook group, you need to go hard for the first month. And this is also when you will, it's basically the pre-launch phase of your beta program. I was already able to pitch my beta program by the end of the second week in my group, but my group was really, really highly engaged because I grew it with Facebook ads. And I just made it grow really, really rapidly, and people just noticed that there's a lot of dynamic and there's really something big going on. So that was why I could even pitch my beta program earlier, but usually a month will be good enough. And I told you, if you stick around towards the end of the video, I have a little surprise for you. So you can get my 4-week pre-launch content planner that I used to build this engaged audience for free, and I will link it down for you below. So this tells you exactly what you need to post and when you need to post. And if you go hard in the first month, then it is a bit more work there. But what this will allow you is to build like your core audience of raving fans, and they will be there and showing up for you for months to come. So every time I'm posting something now, I know like there are 20 members in the group, they will like never miss it. And yeah, it's still engaged, although I'm just sporadically posting. I mean, I'm not posting sporadically, to be honest. I'm posting regularly, but I'm just repurposing content that I'm creating for my paying members anyways. So if I have like a little nugget, I can share it with my free group. I do something that's called a comment letter. So I'm giving something away and I ask people to comment below if they want it. What that does is it gets like very much engagement and organic reach on the group. This is how I keep the group engaged while it's still like really, really little work. One thing I want to include though is going live in my group regularly again, because this really helped my organic reach and really helped me to connect with the audience. And I'm planning that in on Thursdays now, because Thursdays I have my group coaching calls in the program where I teach, and also for my private, so for my own membership. And my dad helps me with my baby on Thursdays, so he sleeps over there, which is pretty exciting. It's new news. And then I can use the time after my coaching calls to just share the most valuable things in my free group. So I want to show up this time more, but I just know that it will be worth it because this group already has had such a great return on investment. After my email list, it's the most valuable resource in my business. So if you're on the fence of starting a group, yes or no, just know that yes, you will to have push a bit in the first month, but you have my content planner. It's totally doable. And after that, it's just a blessing to have. It will also give you so much social proof. It will help you to be perceived as an expert, and it would just be a constant stream of leads into your business and opportunities to get a sale. So what's more beautiful than that? All right, so do you have a Facebook group? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any questions around starting your group or how to get it to be more engaged, please drop me a comment. I'm super happy to connect with you and to answer all your questions. All right, that's it for now. Take care. Bye-bye.